everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today is unboxing day for the Fat Quarter Shop Spooky Box 2024. I haven't even opened this. You're like, we're live opening here. Usually I pre-open these. It's gonna be a surprise for me and you. So if you have not heard of the Spooky Box, it is a series of seasonal boxes put out by Fat Quarter Shop. They have all kinds of goodies in there. There's always fabric and patterns and something special for the season. I am not sure if at the time of this video there are any left, but if there are, I will put a link on where you can get them below this video. They do sell out pretty quickly, but it's always worth a try if you like something that you see in today's video. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So we've got our limited edition Spooky Box free gift with purchase of $25 or more coupon on the back side. So make sure you take advantage of that. I forgot to take a thumbnail. Okay, good enough. We've got our little insert that tells us what everything is. I might need some glasses. All right, so let's just start off with this. There is a cute little Spooky Box leather rotary sheath by Riley Blake Designs. This values at $21.48, and it says stow away your sharp rotary colors with this spookily special leather rotary sheath. This durable and fashionable storage solution is made in America by the artisans at Hometown Leatherworks and is decked out in an exclusive Spooky Box print. This 100% full-grain leather storage sheath holds straight rotary cutters, scissors, and snips, or whatever floats your ghost. And I think I'm going to go with, well, they're a little bit tight. So maybe if you had bigger glasses than this, that wouldn't work. Let's try a rotary trimmer. Do I have one? How do I not have a rotary trimmer? Okay, rotary trimmer. So there you go. That's what it's going to look like. So this would be good if you're traveling. You won't have your blade just kind of sticking out in there. I mean, mine's obviously shut, but you never know. So that's a good way to kind of keep it safe. The next thing we have is this cute little tin, and I've actually got one of these before, so it was really hard to open, so we'll see how I do with this one. This is a beautiful Bobbin Toppers tin, and it values at $6.98, which is a pretty good price, I think. These Bobbin Toppers are useful as they are beautiful. Made of flexible silicone, this set of 12 Bobbin Toppers keeps your spools and bobbins together, making it easy to keep your bobbins from bobbing away. The cute storage tin is printed with a frightful exclusive Spooky Box print. So it matches our little rotary trimmer holder. So the top comes off like so. There's a little tray in here. And then when you open it up, you've got all your little bobbin keepers in there. And how this works, you just take that little end, pop it in there so it stays put. And then you can place your spool on top like so, and then it actually sticks on there pretty good. So then you can keep your spool with that thread if you have like specialty colors. I think that's how they work. I haven't actually really used one of these. Let's hope that's how that works. I don't know, you guys. That's the only way I can think of it working because, right? That makes sense. Does that make sense? Oh, that's how it works. If that's not how it works, somebody leave a comment below because I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, there's 12 of them in there in orange, black, and white, and then you can pop this little top guy on if you want to store a couple of your bobbins in there as well, or maybe extra bobbins or pins or whatever other little trinkets, and then a little lid. So there we go. I have to admit, I've actually gotten one of these in a previous box, and it's super cute, but honestly, I don't use it. I'm not sure what to use it for, like maybe Wonder Clips or something like that. That one was empty. Since this one has these in here, I guess I would store those in there, but I don't use those as much either. I mean, it's really cute, but I'm just not sure if I would use this a whole lot. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this product. Got a little bubble wrapped candle. This is a jack-o'-lantern candle by Big Dipper Waxworks, Spooky Box exclusive, value of $7.98. And I just can't, you guys. It's a little bit giving me like my son's gym socks, or orange. This says clementine and spruce. Okay, orange. I said orange. I'm not 100% sure that clementine and spruce is my vibe or should go together. I don't know. I'm kind of picky on my scents, just so you know. And if it was just clementine, I'd be all in. But the clementine spruce mix on this is like a little bit weird to me, and I'm not a huge fan. I don't know. If you got this box, let me know what you think below. I mean, it looks like a really nice candle and everything. I don't know. I'm so sorry. I really wanted to like that, but yeah, I'm not here for it. I'll ask my kids what they think about it just to get a little bit of a more, rounded viewpoint on it and let you guys know on the screen here below. But for me, this is just a no. All right, let's go ahead and move on to something I know you guys will like. This is a vintage trim spool. This is by Lori Holt, and this is her large trim. It retails at $21.74, and it says, don't forget to add a bewitching touch to your next quilt with this large vintage trim by Lori Holt of Be in My Bonnet. In this shade of pumpkin, there are 12 yards of 1/2 inch wide trim to sew whatever you like between quilt rows, accented in quilt blocks, or layered into binding. It's not so scary to add embellishments after all. And I haven't really used this in one of my quilts before, but I do use this when I'm finishing off all my cross stitch pieces. As a matter of fact, I'm kind of bummed out that I didn't get this box sooner because I just finished my November one, and I could have probably used this color. I used just her white in that one, but this would be a really fun addition. So it's kind of like a little burnt orange pumpkin-y color, and I love this so much. And this is really great for all of your smaller projects. So you could even do it in one of my stitchy pillows. That'd be a cute little border around the outside. I wonder if I should do that for Christmas. That's something to consider. So I'm super happy to see this in the box. Okay, the next thing we have is this candy corn triangle in a square template. This is by Fat Quarter Shop. It values at $9.98, and it says, trick or treat, give us something good to complete for our next quilt. Don't be afraid to try out the candy corn acrylic template with clear markings and easy instructions. You can make all the triangle in a square units you need for any project in a variety of sizes. So strips together for candy corn quilt blocks, and of course it lends a haunting hand in the Witchy Manor quilt pattern in this box as well. This is a box exclusive. I always love getting specialty rulers in my boxes because I very rarely buy these for myself. So if they come in a box, that's awesome, and then I can add it to my stash and use it whenever needed. But it sounds like it's going to go with our quilt pattern, so let's take a look at that next. So here's our quilt pattern. This is the Witchy Manor quilt pattern. It values at $9.98, and it says, this treat-worthy quilt will haunt your quilty dreams in the best way. The Witchy Manor quilt will bewitch you with its classic triangles topped with a star-filled witch hat house for the supernatural. Brew it with the Pumpkins and Potions Fat Quarter Bundle and Candy Corn Triangle in a square template in this box for a fantastic finish. This also says that there are limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop. Here is also what you would need if you're going to be doing it on your own. This finishes at 40.5 by 43.5, so it's a good little wall hanging. I don't tend to do a lot of witchy, like spooky stuff for Halloween. I kind of stick more towards fall and leaves and things, but this is actually really cute. Let's go ahead and take a look at the fabric. So here is our fabric. This is Pumpkins and Potions Fat Quarter Bundle by Kimberbell Designs for Maywood Studio. It values at $30.98, and it says, ghouls, cauldrons, and witches, oh my, the Pumpkins and Potions fabric collection by Kimberbell is irresistible. This fantastic Halloween-inspired collection is filled with bubbling cauldrons, ominous black cats, and creepy smiling pumpkins, all paired with classic orange and black hues. With an assortment of all 9 prints in the line, Halloween has never spooked better. I need to hire their writers because I'm terrible at naming things, and they are always so creative with their little descriptions. All right, that's everything that came in the 2024 spooky box from Fat Quarter Shop. I did add it up for you. The retail value is $109.12, which is pretty good value. The boxes are $69.98. So that's a pretty good value for your money. I think I'm pretty happy with everything in the box. The only thing I don't love is the scent of that candle, unfortunately. And for $70, I think this time around, usually I love their boxes. It's really cute. I'm just not super Halloween-y, so I don't know if I would have spent $70 on this box. I might have gotten something else that I would use. But I'm sure there's tons of you out there who do love all the Halloween-y stuff and would love this box. Since I'm not that into Halloween, I am going to be giving away the majority of the contents of this box. I am going to be hanging on to that orange vintage trim because I do have some ideas for that for a future project, but everything else is going to be going into giveaway for one of you. So in order to win, I do have a few rules right here. Number 1, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I like to do my giveaways for my subscribers as a way to say thank you. Number 2, leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite thing to do during the month of October is. Do you like to decorate? Do you watch Gilmore Girls? Do you get out all your cozy sweaters and candles and just make your home super cozy? Just let me know in the comments below. And then number 3, I do apologize, but US only. International shipping is very expensive, so I do have to keep it to United States only. So that's going to be it. I will pick one winner from the comments below. I will reply to you via the comments here. You can email me at erica@confessionsofahomescholar.com if you win Please don't give your information out to anybody else. I will also put your name in the description box below the video. So that's going to be it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can like the video, and you can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Ooh, I'm already excited. Okay, hold on. That wasn't planned, but let's just go ahead and start off with this. There is a spooky season. I guess it's like a glasses keeper or maybe a rotary trimmer keeper. What is that? Oh, it's a rotary sheath. That's okay. I mean, like legit, you can put your glasses in there. So that's what I'm gonna use it for. Okay, it doesn't go all the way in there, which I guess is fine. And you definitely want to put the blade, like, you know, blade in. And I've been talking about, not bad. Anyway, so you take your spool and then this, oh, so you take your spool and then you can just pop, no, that's how it goes. Is that how that works? Is there a picture? Brew it with the pumpkins and potions from fat. So I'm going to, let's see, what I'm going to give this away, so I don't want to, but I want to show you the prints. So if you get this box, I'm sorry. This fantastic Halloween inspired collection.